am a prolific crier. I've cried all over the United States. In fact, if we look at this map, we can see that I have cried across the United States and into some parts of Canada. If you, like me, are concerned about this whole swath of country that I have not yet cried in, don't worry, I am working on it. But in the meantime, I understand that there are those who are not as gifted with melancholy as I am, and so this glitter tear accessory tutorial is for you, my lacrimally challenged friends. Here's what you'll need. A non-porous surface. I use this slab of foam marble I found, but you could also use glass like a mirror. A hot glue gun, scissors, a palette knife and a fluffy brush, clear drying lash glue, and of course, your glitter. I like to use a few different kinds, chunky glitter for nail art, mica powder, and embossing glitter. You don't have to use these exact things, they're just what I happen to have on hand and they look really great mixed together. Make sure your non-porous surface is clean and dry before you start. While you're waiting for your hot glue gun to heat up, lay down a layer of your glitter of choice with the palette knife. The surface of the glitter does not have to be perfectly even. When your hot glue gun is ready, shape your teardrops on top of the bed of glitter. You might want to practice on your surface without glitter first so you don't waste your supplies, but it's pretty easy to get the hang of it. Make sure you let it cool completely before touching it or the surface will turn foggy. Once cool, you can use your brush to add a little shimmer to the surface of the teardrops. This is optional and depends on the look you're going for. Trim the drops down to the length you want before applying them with clear drying lash glue. I went for a pastel glitter grunge disco rat look here, but you could cry bloody vampire tears, black tears of pestilence, or hot pink Barbie babe tears. The only limit is your sadness.